Welcome to the Scenario Podcast, your guide to mental health and well-being. Each episode, we uncover practical tools, discuss expert insights, and explore how supplements can transform your mental health journey. Get ready to learn, grow, and thrive with us.
In today's really fast-paced world, finding time for fitness, it often feels like this impossible thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Juggling work, family, just this never-ending list of things to do leaves very little room for ourselves.
Yeah, it gets pushed down the priority list.
Exactly. But what if the secret to, transforming your fitness and actually boosting your well-being wasn't about needing more time or fancy equipment or even a gym membership?
Okay.
What if it was just about 30 minutes? Right there in your own home. Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we're taking a really close look at a powerful 30-minute exercise routine. Something you can do without a gym, no complicated gear needed, just you, your body, and a bit of space.
Sounds good.
And our mission for this deep dive is to pull out the most important, impactful insights from the sources you've shared with us. We're covering it all from the why this actually works so well, which is kind of surprising, to the practical how.
Right, the nuts and bolts.
Yeah, the specific exercises, some clever ways to stay motivated, and even crucial nutrition tips.
What's truly fascinating here is precisely how much impact such a, relatively short window of time can actually have.
Mm-hmm.
By the end of this, you'll have a really clear understanding of how just 30 minutes done consistently can build strength, seriously improve your endurance, and give your mental clarity a huge boost.
So you'll actually feel it.
Absolutely. You'll genuinely feel stronger, more energized, less stressed, all from your own home.
Okay, let's kick things off with the big question. I know it's on a lot of people's minds. Can just 30 minutes really make a noticeable difference for fitness, for mental health?
Yeah.
It sounds almost, too good to be true. We've sort of been told that real results need hour-long sessions, complex routines.
That's a really common thought, and it's understandable skepticism.
Yeah.
But the sources we looked at, they confirm it emphatically. Yes, it absolutely can.
Okay.
The science behind it shows that short, targeted, and this is the crucial part, consistent workouts lead to long-lasting real results. It's less about the total duration and more about the intensity and the consistency of your effort. This routine is designed to make every single one of those 30 minutes count.
So how does it do that? What's happening in those 30 minutes?
Okay, well, first, it significantly boosts your heart rate and cardiovascular health. The moves are picked specifically to get your heart rate up quickly and keep it there effectively.
Mm-hmm.
This isn't just about burning calories, though it does that too. It actively makes your heart and lungs stronger, more efficient, better oxygen circulation.
Good. Okay, what else?
Second, it builds total body strength. So while it gets your heart pumping, it's definitely not just cardio. It's a full body thing.
Ah, okay.
It strategically hits the major muscle groups, so upper body, core, lower body. You're looking at head-to-toe toning and strengthening, building that functional strength you need for everyday life.
Like lifting groceries without throwing your back out.
Exactly. Or, playing with your kids or grandkids. And then, maybe one of the most compelling reasons, it profoundly supports your mental health.
This is the part I find really interesting.
Yeah, it's huge. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins. These are your natural mood boosters, painkillers, the internal feel-good chemicals. And at the same time, it helps regulate and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone.
Okay.
And what's fascinating is, while really intense workouts might initially spike cortisol, consistent, moderate exercise like this routine actually trains your body to handle stress better day to day.
So it builds resilience.
Yeah, exactly. It's not just a temporary fix. It's building long-term stress resilience.
Like therapy, but sweatier. And that resilience part feels so key. I wonder, for someone feeling really overwhelmed, could the mental benefit actually be the bigger initial draw than the physical?
For many people, absolutely. That immediate feeling of clarity, the stress reduction, the better mood, that could be the hook that keeps you coming back.
Makes sense.
And finally, it uses elements of high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Short bursts of intense work, brief recovery. This helps torch fat, build lean muscle, and keep you fit even if your schedule is packed. It's maximum efficiency.
What I find really compelling here, and I bet a lot of you listening feel this way, is that often it's the mental block that stops us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Knowing that just 30 minutes can offer that kind of stress relief and clarity that's not just empowering, it kind of changes the whole story about what fitness is for. It's about supporting your whole self.
Precisely.
Okay, so we get the why. It's powerful stuff. Let's get practical. How do we actually do this 30-minute magic? The sources lay out this combined strength and cardio circuit, no equipment needed.
That's right. It's structured into 3 clear parts for a complete, effective, and safe session.
Okay, part 1.
We start with a 5-minute warm-up. And this isn't optional. It's really essential. Gets your body and mind ready, lubricates the joints, gets the energy flowing.
Right. What does that look like?
So you'll start with about 30 seconds of arm circles, forwards and backwards, just waking up the shoulders gently.
Okay.
Then a minute of jog in place, lifting your knees a bit, gets the heart rate starting to climb, activates your core.
Yep.
After that, standing toe touches for a minute. Nice, gentle stretch for the hamstrings, lower back. Don't force it. Then a classic, jumping jacks for 1 minute. Full body, gets the cardio going a bit more. And finally, to wrap up the warm-up, about a minute of shoulder rolls with deep breathing. Roll them back and down. Take slow, deep breaths. This primes your upper body and helps you mentally shift into workout mode.
Okay, 5 minutes, nicely warmed up. Then what?
Then we dive into the main event,
Yeah.
the 20-minute full-body circuit. The idea here is simple. You go through a series of exercises, and then you repeat the whole circuit again. So 2 rounds total within that 20 minutes.
And these exercises hit everything.
Yeah, they're carefully chosen to fire up the whole body, boost flexibility a bit, and build that functional strength over time.
All right, walk us through them. Exercise 1.
Okay, first, bodyweight squats, 15 reps.
Yep.
Fantastic for quads, glutes, hamstrings. Key tip, keep your chest up. Imagine you're sitting back in a chair, knees tracking over your ankles, ideally not way past your toes.
Got it. 15 squats. Next.
Next, push-ups, 10 reps. Great for chest, arms, upper body. Now, if 10 floor push-ups are too much right now, no problem. Drop to your knees.
Okay, modifications are key.
Absolutely. Or even do them standing up against a wall. It's about finding your starting point.
Right, after push-ups.
Then, a plank hold for 30 seconds. This is a powerhouse for your core, shoulders, and honestly, your mental grit.
Oh, yeah. 30 seconds can feel long in a plank.
It can.
Wow.
Focus on keeping a straight line from your head to your heels.
Yeah.
No sagging hips or piking up.
Okay, plank, done. What's next?
Glute bridges, 15 reps. You lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor near your hips. Then lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes.
Ah, good for posture too, I bet. Especially if you sit a lot.
Exactly. Really good for firing up the glutes and releasing lower back tension from sitting. Then we pick up the pace with mountain climbers for 30 seconds.
Okay, cardio burst.
Yep. Start in that push-up or plank position. Then bring your knees towards your chest one at a time, like you're running in place horizontally. Great for core, shoulders, and keeping that heart rate up.
30 seconds of those? Then,
walking lunges, 10 repetitions per leg. Step forward, bend both knees to about 90 degrees, back knee hovering just off the floor, front knee over the ankle. Push off the back foot, step through to the next lunge.
works legs, glutes, and balance too.
Definitely test the balance. And finally, to keep the heart rate high and work endurance, 1 minute of jump rope or march in place.
So you don't actually need a rope.
Nope. If you have one, great. If not, just mimic the arm and wrist motion while jogging lightly or marching with high knees. Works the legs, calves, gets that cardio finish.
Okay, so that's one full round. Squats, push-ups, plank, glute bridges, mountain climbers, lunges, jump rope, march.
Correct. And remember, you can take, say, 30 to 60 seconds rest between each exercise if you need it. Listen to your body. And definitely grab some water between the 2 rounds.
Got it. So do that whole circuit twice, aiming for about 20 minutes total.
Exactly. That's the core workout. Then we move to the final crucial part,
The cool down.
the 5-minute cool down and recovery. Just as important as the warm-up. It helps reduce muscle stiffness, brings your heart rate down gradually, and helps your mind relax.
What kind of moves are we talking about here?
Gentle stretches. A forward fold for about 30 seconds, standing or seated, just gently reaching towards your toes, feeling the stretch in the hamstrings and lower back.
Nice.
Then a seated twist. Sit tall, cross one leg over the other, and gently twist towards the bent knee. Hold for about 30 seconds per side, so 1 minute total. Great for spine flexibility, even digestion.
Okay.
Follow that with a butterfly stretch for 1 minute. Sit down, bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall outwards. Nice gentle stretch for the hips and groin, especially good after squats and lunges. And we finish the entire session with 2 minutes of deep breathing. A simple pattern like inhale slowly for 4 counts, hold gently for 4 counts, and exhale slowly for 6 counts.
The 4-4-6 breath, calming.
Very calming. It helps signal to your nervous system that it's time to shift into a restful state. Reduces stress beautifully.
Wow. Okay, so we've covered a lot there. The why, the warm-up, the circuit, the cool down. It feels manageable.
It is. And the key to really unlocking all those benefits we talked about, the strength, the endurance, the mental clarity, really comes down to one simple word: consistency.
Right. Doing it once is great, but
Exactly. The sources really emphasize this. Doing this routine just 3 to 5 times per week, that's where you see the real transformation.
and what kind of transformations are we talking about realistically?
Well, you'll likely notice things like reduced stress and anxiety fairly quickly. Better cardiovascular health builds over time. Definitely stronger core and upper body.
Mm-hmm.
Increased overall body strength and flexibility. You might find you have improved focus, better productivity, just a generally better mood.
That sounds amazing.
And all of this often contributes to a more positive body image and just feeling more confident in yourself. The key takeaway really is you don't need perfection. You just need consistency. Show up for those 30 minutes most days.
Consistency. Okay, that's often the hardest part, isn't it? Life gets busy, motivation dips.
It really is.
So let's talk practical motivation hacks. How do you stay consistent with this at home? The sources had some good tips, right?
Yeah, some really actionable ones. First, set specific, tiny goals. Don't just say, I'll work out more. Maybe start with, I'll do this routine twice this week. Or even, I'll just do the 5-minute warm-up today.
The tiny habits idea. Start small, build momentum.
Exactly. That small win feels good and makes you want to do it again. Second, block the time on your calendar. Treat it like an important appointment you can't miss.
Non-negotiable me time. I like it.
Third, lay out your workout clothes the night before. Sounds simple, but it removes a friction point in the morning.
Oh, that's a good one.
Reduces decision fatigue. Totally. Fourth, create a killer playlist. Good music makes a huge difference in energy and enjoyment.
Definitely.
And finally, maybe use a fitness tracker or just a simple notebook to log your progress. Seeing those check marks add up is surprisingly motivating.
Yeah, seeing the streak build. These little things really can make a difference in just showing up.
They absolutely can. And if you are just starting out or coming back after a break, it's so important to ease in gently.
Right. Don't go all out on day one and burn out.
Precisely. So my top tips for beginners based on the sources: start small, maybe just 2 or 3 workouts a week initially. Build the habit.
Okay.
Focus on form over speed. Always. It's safer, prevents injury, and you actually get better results from the exercises when you do them correctly.
Quality, not just quantity.
Exactly. Include rest days. Your body needs that time to recover and rebuild muscle. That's when the magic happens. Don't skip rest. And, importantly, celebrate small wins. Seriously. Did 10 good push-ups on your knees? Awesome. Held a plank for 20 seconds? That's a win. Every single rep counts.
Love that. Celebrate the effort, not just perfection. Now, something else that's vital. Fuel. How important is nutrition with this routine?
Hugely important. Food is your fuel. Eating the right things enhances your workout performance and maybe even more critically, your recovery afterwards.
Okay, so what should we eat before, after?
Good question. Before your workout, maybe 30, 60 minutes beforehand, you want easily digestible energy. Think banana with some almond butter,
Okay.
or maybe some Greek yogurt with berries, or even a simple slice of toast with avocado. Nothing too heavy that will sit in your stomach.
Got it. And then after? Post-workout fuel.
After the workout, within say an hour or so, your focus shifts to muscle repair and replenishing energy. Protein and carbs are key. A protein smoothie with fruit and maybe some nut butter is great.
Easy to whip up.
Very. Or scrambled eggs with some sweet potatoes. Cottage cheese with fruit is another good option. And obviously hydration. Water, water, water. Before, during, after. It's absolutely crucial.
Can't forget the water.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing that really stands out is how adaptable this seems. You mentioned modifications. It really sounds like this workout can work for pretty much anyone.
It absolutely can. That's a major strength. It's incredibly scalable.
So how do we scale it? Let's say someone's a total beginner.
Okay, for beginners, we'll call it green level suck. We already mentioned push-ups on knees or against a wall. For lunges, maybe hold on to a chair for extra balance. For mountain climbers, just slow the pace right down. Focus on engaging the core, not speed. It's about meeting yourself where you are.
Makes sense. What about someone who's been working out a bit, maybe intermediate level?
For intermediate, you can increase the challenge easily. Do more reps of each exercise. Or add a third round to this circuit.
Okay.
You could add a little jump to your squats or lunges to make them plyometric, more explosive. Or simply shorten the rest periods between exercises to keep the intensity higher.
Right. Less rest equals more challenge. And for the advanced folks?
For advanced, red level so, you can get creative. Combine moves like doing a squat directly into a jump. squat jump. Or if you have light weights or resistance bands, add a bicep curl to your lunge.
Ah, adding resistance.
Exactly. Or use a strict HIAT timer, like 40 seconds of hard work, then only 20 seconds of rest for each exercise.
Lots of options there.
Yeah, the main thing is no matter your level, focus on moving with intention, challenging yourself appropriately, and always listening to what your body is telling you.
We've really unpacked a lot today, how this simple, consistent 30-minute home workout can genuinely be a game changer. It's not just a quick fix.
No.
It's about making fitness truly accessible, impactful, and part of your life, supporting both body and mind.
Absolutely. This deep dive has hopefully shown how this incredibly simple yet effective and scalable routine supports your full self. Physical strength, mental clarity, overall well-being. It's a holistic approach you can do anywhere.
So the final thought here, this isn't just about building muscle, is it? It's really about building habits that stick. A 30-minute exercise routine at home. It's not just a workout. It feels like your ticket to more energy, less stress, and feeling more confident. The key is just showing up.
Showing up, moving with purpose.
Yeah, show up, move with purpose, and you will feel the difference.
Thanks for tuning in to the Scenario Podcast. Don't forget to visit scenario.com for more expert tips, articles, and supplements designed to support your mental health. If you enjoyed this episode, remember to subscribe and share it with a friend. Until next time, take care of yourself.